What's happening now? Okay, I don't touch the shower like this.
Relax.
You never pay money, you want to enjoy it.
Relax. Take it easy. Come on.
Ha!
I don't bite.
Why did they look back? You be ritualist.
Listen now. You talk too much.
Okay, talk with you want to talk.
Can I talk now?
Go ahead.
I was serious about what I said. I want to take you home.
Okay, I don't try to talk. See, if they pay me, I don't like to waste my grace anyhow. I don't feel they talk every day. Everybody when they here know me already. Now grace is run out for me, not by race.
Why?
You understand? Okay, I don't feel tell you before. No, they less my grace again. Why? I tell you, say if you get anything when you want talk out with my madam. My madam will give me instruction. I'll come to do next. Why you they wait for me when they repeat everything?
But you need to hear me out. You need to hear me out.
Okay,
I needed to talk to you in private so you can at least understand what I mean.
Okay.
Listen, I know, I mean, it's not appropriate for me to come here, but I had to come tell you what I want you to do for me.
Okay.
I want to take you home, and I want you to spend 1 month with me.
1 month?
Yeah, just 1 month.
When get hand and leg? You define you want to do ritual?
No, that's not. Listen.
Oga, see, I agree say I be a shower, but guess what? This my head is strong. You know, you no go walk. You no fit use me do anything.
Can you relax?
No go walk.
Can you relax?
Oga, should be 1 month now.
Just relax. Just
go meet my madam profile.
Listen, I know it's going to cost a lot of money, and I'm ready to pay. Okay? I just want you to come with me for 1 month. Just
this your face cap, no be like person and get money. Go talk to my madam. If anything you and my madam talk, she go tell me. She don't profile you finish, she go let you know how much. You can't let me know. Okay, for now, no, it disturb me again. And let me disturb me.
I'm ready to pay.
Okay, don't be the collect payment. Now be accountant.
That's okay, but I needed to talk to you about it first.
Okay, no be me get myself for. Yeah, they work for person. If you pay a shower, if you try to make it jump, you go, they ask you, say, how you want make I take high, jump the jump.
Can you just reduce your voice?
Hi.
Just stop saying ashawo. Like, people are listening to you. Come on.
But what's I be now, Oga?
It's okay.
Now the work when they do
you
now.
Want me to talk to your mother?
Oh, you the shame make people know you say they carry a shower. Hey,
wait,
see this man, no.
Like, there are neighbors around. Just chill.
Yeah. Now you call a shower dread when you say neighbors there around.
Yeah, because I like you.
They like a shower. Hey, Oga, they don't like a shower, I beg. Oga, na money matter with the top for you. I beg, if you want talk, go talk to my madam. She dey office, No, they disturb me. I get plenty work to do. And other customers. See, now money, now they talk. No be mouth. I don't feel tell you now. Abba. Because say grace the runner for me, no miss how they take nonsense from every person, though. Now grace the runner, no be race, so maybe respect yourself. Ha! Shall we want to like 1 month? Ha!
But Cindy, we didn't find you since. We didn't for you. Where you go?
Oh, sorry about that. You know, I was moving around, checking out stuff.
Oh, okay. Me and this my guy. We won't see you.
Listen, I'll just go straight to the point. Yeah. Madam, I'd like to take home one of your girls.
One of my girls?
Yeah.
Which of them?
Chisom, the light-skinned one, the curvy one.
So for how long?
So this time is a little bit different. I'm looking at 1 month.
1 month?
Yeah.
No. It's not going to be possible. Because my girls don't stay out for that long. 1 month?
I didn't say it was for free. I'm ready to pay for it. Just tell me what I need to pay.
Young man, if you want to take my girl out for 1 month, 1 whole month, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can you afford 2 million naira?
Done. Just send your details to him. I'll pay for it.
Michael.
Jerry, are you sure this guy dope?
Show me so you do.
Sure you know, man.
Listen now, I'm my guy and I know. See, now a very gentle guy. You don't get problem. If you say no waiting you want you go pay. Chicken, I no fear.
No be about pay. So say you go call come one of the girl organ.
Go with you. No to talk like that. I look like ritual to you. I don't even hear anything like that from my side. This guy na my 5 and 6. I know him well, know me well. You know if you do that kind of thing. Share, in fact, me na middle man now. So no fear. Yes.
If he says so.
Yeah, so send your details to him and I'll transfer the money.
Immediately.
Yes, the money for hand. Madam Cindy.
Are we good? Are we good?
You're good, you're good, you're good.
So I'll just leave you guys to.
I come. Cindy, 2 million. Oh, yeah.
What is your problem?
Okay, no problem. I don't want to spoil your business. Or you go, I go collect one of the guests, might use and compliment. This 2 million, you know how much you did.
That will be in your dream.
If you collect one, you know how many years old collect.
I said it will be in your dream. What is wrong with you? I'll cancel this deal now. I'll cancel the deal.
No, I book and send the account number. Make I go. Me will pay. You like money?
No, you hate it.
Lost affection, lost affection, lost affection, lost affection.
Oh God, Jesus, who do you this kind of thing? How did I? Are you there? Hello? Hello?
Why do you allow this love to decay? I'm reaching out for you, baby.
Oh, who you be? You be ghost? How you taking that here?
Please, where's Michael?
Huh? No more guy they call Michael. Eh? You don't get respect, Abi. This your big way where they deceive you. Come, what kind of gentleman? How much you say you go want get anything to do with somebody like him? So, oh yeah, begin the talk. How you take come here?
I came with your boss last night.
No. Now I don't see you. I don't have any sleep. How is this go if you don't open it? You can't sleep inside. Get man see you. Huh? You don't see you. Come on, tell me. I take it here. Oh yeah, more they go. They look me. No. More they go. And touch her.
Do you think you're dragging me?
Oh man, you go tell me who can call them. Basi! What is this? They speak English. On top of one. Basi! Yeah, here. Come here.
Jen, where you carry your scrub come house? Oga go sack you.
Want to wait? Want to start on the do woman, Abi?
Yes.
Bless you, no get sense. Abi?
Can you please let me go?
How she taking that here? See, I see her for step. They come down. Now I ask her, say, who you be? Who carry you come? You be your spiritual wife, I be waiting. Now she say she enter this house for night. And I'm not saying you step. I mean, now you can't come.
God forbid! God forbid! I know if you carry this kind of person come house now. I get taste, I get class. Look at her, she's not even my spec. Madam, start talking. Who carry you come here? Are you taking that you fly? You came in the heights of the spirit? Start talking. If not, I will arrest you. I will call the chief escorts and the chief securities to come after you right now.
Are you a dummy? Are you a dummy? Why don't you just call your boss and find out from him? Or will you keep embarrassing me and risk his wrath when he gets here?
Hi! What an American mommy water. You there cross road. You still dey speak grammar. By the time I finish with you, you will know that okay, my name is Bas Emmanuel Mbong. I don't take shit. I just start talking right now. If not, I will send you back to
Now talk. Begin talk. Because I know my Oga wewe. My Oga na gentleman.
Can you leave my hand?
Close your mouth, make I talk. I say, can you leave my hand? You dey speak grammar.
Oga don't
Eh?
come.
See, my Oga no go fit carry the shoe like you come this house. Now show what you did. Oga don't come. You under arrest. Oga hold am. Hold am. Sir?
Are you okay?
Yes.
Why is she holding you?
Don't worry, I'm fine.
Why are you holding her?
I'm teaching Steve. I say, make I catch her for you before you come back.
It's okay.
So, last night you didn't sleep? And this morning on my way to the gym, I saw you sleeping, so I didn't bother to wake you up. Wait, why are you guys acting like... What did you guys do?
Just Ignore them. They didn't do anything.
Oga, no say na your visitor.
What did you do to her?
Okay, I beg no vex. We no know say na your visitor. I did my post. Now Jane carry and come out. Say there is a case. As the chief security officer, I said let me come and investigate the case and know where the case is coming from and how I'm going to land the case. And before you came in, I said, okay, thank God my Oka is here. Let me hand over the case to you. Nothing else.
No, so yeah. And we even call him
She called me Olosho, but it's fine.
You said that?
me.
But that's what I am. So it's
Can you wait for me inside?
okay. But please,
Please, just wait for me inside.
Oga, forgive us. No, forgive me. Okay, we are sorry. You sorry?
So, you harassed my guest and called her an Olosho? Huh? What's an Olosho? What does that mean?
Okay, I don't know.
What does that mean? Like, what do you mean by an Olosho? What does that mean?
Okay, I don't know. Okay, I don't know.
Did you, okay, you saw her and you didn't recognize her, right? You thought she was probably a stranger or someone who came to steal.
Yes.
So why didn't you call me on the phone?
Okay. Okay. I didn't want to disturb you.
Okay.
You know, and I am the chief security officer of this place.
All right.
So I said, okay, now there is no need for me to disturb my Oka. Let me use my position and take care of the matter.
Okay.
Because I mean, looking at. Yes, that was what happened.
What's your name again?
Basi.
Okay. Get up. Both of you get up.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you.
Don't feed him for 3 days. Listen to me. You must starve him for 3 days. And you, don't let her out of this compound for 2 days.
Huh?
Before you do so, ask me first.
Okay.
Good.
Okay, please, my condition is very, very critical. I have ulcer. And if I don't eat for 2 days, it can cause arthritis in my brain. Please temper justice with mercy. Just another chance.
You're a fool.
Aye.
Now, let me come out and let me food.
We go do deal. If you come out, you give me food.
Oh, okay, we crash road. Show don't enter my eye.
What's that? If you don't know how to eat, go into the kitchen, pick another plate and help yourself. Stop littering this table.
I'm so sorry, baby. It was a mistake.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
It was unintentional too.
It's a mistake, right? Please don't repeat it. Thank you. You see what I'm saying? Why are you so clumsy?
I'm sorry, baby.
How can't you do anything right?
I'm so sorry.
You like getting on my nerves. Why?
I'm sorry.
My friend, get out and kill this up.
In the dark of night, lost affection, lost affection. Why did you fail?
You okay?
can I go?
Go to where?
Since
Listen to me. So I instructed Jane to take good care of you. In case you need to eat anything, you need to have a bath, and she's going to show you around. Okay?
well, since I'm not doing anything for you, can I not just go to the bar?
Go to which?
Yeah, I will.
Did you forget I paid you for 1 month? Listen, I want you to stay here, okay? Sit down, watch TV. I mean, look around the house, enjoy yourself until I get back. I need to go to work.
What do you want from me?
What do I want from you? I want you to stay here until I get back. Remember, I paid you for 1 month, right? Okay? All right?
In the dark of night, I feel your presence near. A whisper promise, a forbidden fear. Your eyes.
So, I want you to join me to a friend's party. But you're not going to go dressed like this. We'll have to get you something really nice to wear.
No. My auntie will not like it.
Your auntie? Oh yes, she would, because she's not the one spending the money. Listen, you have to go with me. Besides, you complain about being bored at home, so let's go have some fun. Alright, let's go get something for you to wear. You alright? Oh.
Yes.
What are you trying to do? Hey, stop it.
What's in this up?
Listen, you did great today.
No, wait first. You serious? I've been a joke the joke, say you know what on package. Bros, calm down, go treat you nice.
Stop it now. Take it easy, come on. What's wrong with you?
Your thing no they work. I mean, I make that sick base leave you. Hey! Bros, no worry. I'll be expert. I will help you arrange her.
Listen, I was going to say you did great today. Alright, let's get some sleep and tomorrow we continue with the investigation, right?
Waske?
Get some sleep.
What you dey investigate? Na jump? I don't understand.
Please, can you turn off the light? Thank you.
Okay, if I off light, we go do am. Eh? Bros, turn. We know they refund for our company.
Can you stop?
They know they refund for my madam no go give you your money back. You can't me going back on a watch television every day. I don't understand. Yeah, I bet Tomo run this thing, no, because you know go you bro. Don't sleep now. Why they do this kind of thing now?
Can you
What do you want me to go tell my madam?
Can you just shut up and turn off the lights and go to sleep, please?
They won't run street though. It don't finally happen.
Turn off the light, please. Thank you. Get some sleep. Tomorrow we continue from our stuff.
Don't make this kind of thing. Which kind of problem be this one? If let's see this guy think to know the work. This guy fine boy. We don't fair run this thing before. Finally happen. It don't happen. It don't happen.
Of course I'm happy. I get to be happy, okay? That's the man of my dreams. Look, I've always wanted a man that's generous to a fault, so...
Are you not scared of being named?
Toyin, we have talked about this before. I've said it countless times. It is better to cry in a private jet than to laugh in a keke. Come on.
I want you to stop saying that. No matter how generous you
And how about John? John that beats you at random and yet gives you nothing. Tony, I don't know how many times I will tell you this, and I don't know why I keep repeating myself, that I prefer crying in a private jet than to laugh in poverty. How hard is it to understand?
My dear, if not for your
Oh, please, stop with this your consolation slogan, okay? Look, money must be made. Everyone wants to be successful, okay? And that money must be made by any means possible. What is it? Please, I'm trying to figure out something here.
You mean she made this?
Yes, Oga. Now she cooked the food. She even cooked past me. Yeah, surprise.
Wow. It's really nice. You've been cooking?
Well, this is the 6th day you brought me here. So, I don't have anything else to do than to look for a way to burn some calories. Besides, I see your plan is to make me obese. You know, say, this life not grace. Don't be by race, so.
Nice. Quite impressive.
Thank you. My grace zero now.
You know I'm looking at you, right?
Yes. No, I don't know.
No. I hope you've been learning.
Yes, now they learn. She's happy cook. Pon basmati rice. She's happy cook. Obiofe. Yeah, they cook ofe and ufunubo. It is bako. She no fit cook that one now.
Because I might just replace you with her.
Okay. You know fit safe. You know fit try am. You go just brown. She no fit cook soup. Only me sabi cook soup. Now basmati she sabi cook. So you no fit replace me. One slim. You no fit now. You no fit replace
That's
me.
enough. Thank you.
Make I go now. Enjoy your meal. Go. When I go chop my own.
Very good. Nice.
Thank you. My grace zero now.
I am lost in the shadow with your love for loving you. Dangerous love, reckless love.
Hi, baby.
What are you doing here?
Oh, you hurt me with your words. I mean, this is your sugar pie you've not seen in weeks, and this is how you welcome me. Don't you miss me?
Hey, move away. What nonsense is this? I thought we agreed you'll never come to my house again.
Why won't I come to your house? Oh, it's because of this daughter of Jezebel. That is why you want to be.
Hey, watch your mouth.
I thought you said it was over between you both. What's she still doing here?
I have no idea. She's probably just passing by or something. Please, can you just leave?
I'm not going anywhere. See, if you think you're going to ditch me because of this thing, that's a big fat lie. I don't know where.
Please, just sort this out.
I promise you I'll handle it. See, I don't want trouble. Okay? Quietly leave my house, please. I don't want trouble. Just leave, please.
Mike, is it that you've forgotten how we...
Stay away from me now. What's wrong with you? I said leave my house.
Mike, it's me.
Get out! Move away. Come on. Move away. Get out, Joe. What's wrong with you?
Ow, take it easy.
Come on, girl.
Oh, Michael! Stop! Stop!
Now listen to me. Now listen good. I don't ever want to see you in my house again. Get your cursed self out of my house. Get out! Basi! Come here! Now listen, I don't ever want to see this woman in my house again. Do you understand?
Okay, okay.
You're not only going to lose your job, I'm going to get you arrested. Now take her out of here.
Yummy. Okay, okay.
Take her out.
Please. Get out. I'm here for me. I had your one of you. My okay, I said, get out, please. Please. Let's don't match up. And let's act mature. Open this gate. Then where is going now? Open this gate.
In the silence, I whisper your name, hoping that somehow you will hear my heart. Maybe someday our love will find its way back to the affection we shared before. Why do you allow this love to decay? I'm reaching out for you.
Thank God you're awake. Babe? How are you feeling right now?
I feel tired and hungry.
Oh, okay. No problem. Just stay put, okay? Don't go anywhere. Don't do anything. I will go downstairs and fix something for you to eat, alright? If you need anything, just call me. Please, alright? Don't do anything. I love you. Please, don't move. Don't go anywhere. I'll be back.
You have a kind heart. But why are you such a bully? But you are very generous. And I've come to love you because of your generous heart. No matter what you do to me, I will never leave you for anything. Look, I know Jerry can be a little aggressive and sometimes harsh, but I mean, he's the kind of man I've always wanted. A man that knows how to treat his lady right, okay?
So all you care about is what you gain from Jerry. A man that abuses and assaults you. I'm surprised you didn't learn from my mistake, or you want to learn it the hard way.
Hold on. So you can't. You can't possibly compare my Jerry to that evil John of yours. I mean, okay, answer me. How many times did John take you on a fast date? Or even spend at least 20 a week? Never. Jerry, he knelt me down for 2 hours, and after that he took me to Apple Grove restaurant and we spent nothing less than 300k. And when I was leaving the next morning, he made a transfer of 500k to my account. So have you seen how generous my man is?
Can you hear yourself speak? A man that knelt you down for 2 hours. I've never seen anyone that loves all the glitterings in the world. Sandra. If you like, keep giving excuses to justify your baseless and useless stupidity.
Tony, hold on. Have I ever called you or maybe ran to your house to complain to you? Am I complaining? No. Look, I really don't care, okay? As long as the money keeps rolling in, I don't mind. And besides, I have an honest job, remember that? So I don't care. As long as the money keeps rolling in, I don't mind even kneeling down for 4 hours, 3 hours. I really don't mind, okay? So please, I don't know why you are drinking painkillers for my own pain.
Are you serious, Sandra?
Yes,
You're
I am
so
serious.
despicable.
Thank you, ma. Do you know how much this stuff on my hand is? He got it for me.
Michael, she's still here. Michael, you want to do this to me?
Michael, why does she have access to this place? I mean, why does she come here at will?
This girl is in my past, and she remains in my past. What is it now? Why are you embarrassing me?
Michael, why are you doing this to me? Okay, what do you want me to tell your mom that happened to us?
Listen, I don't like this. You're stalking me, and I don't like it. Just leave.
I'm sorry. I've said I'm sorry countless times. Okay, see, I know I made a mistake, but it's all in the past now.
Nengi, you don't understand, do you? You had the opportunity to make things right. You had all the time in the world to fix things, but you clearly refused to.
I know. And that is why I'm back. See, I still love you. I can bring back the happiness into our
Nengi,
life.
it is too late, oh.
My kids.
Hey, as you can see, I'm with someone else now.
Michael.
And there's nothing you can do because it is too late. Please go away.
Michael, please. Please don't do this to me. I still love you.
What is this now? We both had an agreement, right? She's not supposed to come here. Yes. So what's she doing here?
Oh my God. You're not supposed to be here. I remind you. Please.
Can you just leave?
Come on.
Can you take out of this place?
This is really embarrassing.
Listen, I'm sorry. I apologize. I promise to take care of it, okay?
Can you just sort it out once and
There's
for all?
nothing to worry about. I'll handle it, I promise. Okay, please. I'm sorry about that.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I tried my best.
Come here. Come close, come close. Come close to me. What did you say?
I said, okay, I am sorry. I tried my best.
You're sorry about what?
That she entered. Okay, I beg no vex. She overpowered me because of my nature. Okay, I beg, permit me to call my village people. I know someone that can do juju very well. He can do juju very well. He will do juju and I'll use juju at the gate. Anytime she want to come, she will sue the juju and she will run away. Yes.
You know what? Just go upstairs. Go to your duty post. And remain there for 2 weeks. Don't come down. Don't worry, I'll take care of the gate. Go.
I go take job.
Get out.
Okay, sorry, okay.
Go upstairs.
Okay.
Just remain there for 2 weeks. Don't come down. Don't worry, I'll take care of the gate, okay?
Okay. Okay, I beg, I go take the job food.
I apologize. I'm sorry.
I need to sort this girl out once and for all.
I will, I promise. I promise I will. It's not a problem at all, okay?
You look handsome.
Thank you.
You know, all of this is just a phase, right? And this fairy tale will definitely pass.
Just make it special while you're still here, alright? Make it worth the while.
You paid for a service and you will get great service. I promise to give you good memories, you know, ones that will last you even after I'm gone.
It's mine.
Oh, there.
Oh, right. Let's go.
Sure.
Oga, good morning, sir.
Yeah, can I help you?
Yes, sir. Our grocery, our foodstuffs don't finish for this house. I need the money.
Sorry, I want to get you correctly. You're low on food stock and you think this is the right time to tell me?
Yes. So I know since Auntie Fan and Auntie Chisom enter this house, she dey cook. I know they enter kitchen, so I want to take no say something to finish.
I'm sorry, it's actually my fault. I didn't inform her earlier now.
So you wanted money and you're just telling me now. This is the right time for you to tell me. Wait. Sorry.
Sure.
Do you do drugs?
Mm.
Are you on drugs? So that we can know how to help you.
Mm.
No, you can confide in me.
Okay, stop now. You know, I need one.
Sorry. It's my bad, please.
Alright then, when I get to the office, I'll do a transfer.
Thank you, sir. They take drugs. I'll try her one day.
I feel your presence near. A whisper
Wow. Chisom is a very lucky girl. Chisom is a very lucky girl. Eh? Look at her. Eh? She's finding herself, her husband. She's there. Eh? Me, I'm tired of this run still, you know. I'm tired. I need to look for a man that will love me and cherish me there. Or are you not tired? This one you're keeping quiet. Are you not tired? Eh? Ikogu be again and shower work.
You no go conclude yet. You no say that man pay our madam. Now, she fit come back after 1 month. So, no dey talk like that.
Are you sure? You can't just say like that. Don't just say it like that. Chisom has gone to stay with her husband, Nogusiwo. Because although I've taken over her man, but although I'm tired. That's why we are here. I don't even have money for it.
Jerry, I'm totally short of words. Chisom, that girl, I'm very impressed. To think we both know how she came into the picture. But trust me, she is every man's dream. She is a wife material. I know I sound stupid, but trust me, that girl is an amazing person. She cooks very well. She cleans. She does the entire house chores. Even when I have a maid, she takes the responsibility off her shoulders. My brother, if you eat that girl's food,
Dikeh, you're beginning to sound like you're falling in love with that girl.
I'm in love with her. And I want her to stay.
Like, you're serious.
I'm serious. I think I'm in love with her and I'm excited about it. Yeah.
So what happens to Nengi? I heard she's coming back. So why don't you give her a chance to come back instead of settling for a call girl?
Jerry, would you respect? I know we both are aware of how, Chisom got into the picture. But I would like us to respect her and not judge her. Because everyone has got a past. Do you understand me? So, hey, listen, let's not judge her. She's a human being.
God, you don't have to forget that the devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. Yes.
Jerry, tell me the truth. Did Nengi pay you to come speak on her behalf? Because I don't understand you. Why are you so interested in Nengi?
Come on, Micah, please, stop it. I've not seen Nengi in weeks. So why would I... Which bribe? See, I'm just looking out for you as my guy. That's just it.
Because you're talking about Nengi. I'm trying to explain to you what I'm experiencing right now. You should be excited for me, but you keep talking about Nengi. Is she paying you or something?
You're being serious right now. What did Chisom give you? What style?
Thank you. Thank you for looking out for me. Thank you.
Hey, why are you not buying me? Just like this. I have to go see the madam.
Madam, Oga don't send the money. So you go like follow me go market. I don't like us in the day house. You just the fat. Follow me go born cholesterol. I should have waited call on that day. Cholesterol.
Well, that's fine, but right now I've got things to do. Maybe later. When do you want to go to the market?
By 2, ma. 2 o'clock dot.
What's the by time now?
You don't pass 11.
Oh, okay, there's still time. That's fine. When is time for you to go? Just let me know.
Fine, auntie. If you follow me go this market there, people go, they crowd, they come. They won't come see celeb. Aye, it's a scam. Fine, auntie. Baby, since I got here. I missed you.
I'm sorry, babe. Please, give me a little time to get done with this, please.
No. Look, this can wait, okay? I need you now.
I know. Please, a little time. That's what I asked for. I need to finish up with this. I'm sorry, please.
No, you're done. You are done.
Now you are going to be a distraction.
I know. Okay, get up. Stand up.
It's burning out of control.
Get up.
Maybe I'm a fool for love. I'm so
Move!
but I will follow your heart. Maybe I'm a fool for loving you. Follow your heart into danger zone. One more time, maybe I'm a fool for loving you.
I'm wet. Let's go to your room.
I think you're right, but let's just go and get something to eat.
Oh, yes. Good food is always good after making love.
Uh-huh.
So, I suggest I do the cooking. I guess you have food stuff in the house.
You cook?
What do you mean if I cook? Yes, I cook. Besides, I come from a tribe with the best cooking skills. So, let's go. Come on.
Oh.
Why are you staring at me like that? You don't like the food or something?
I'm enjoying the meal. As a matter of fact, it's been quite long I ate this kind of homemade meal. You know what? I never knew you were this beautiful.
Thank you. My boyfriend is calling.
Forget about her. I need to enjoy this moment with you.
But you barely know me that much.
I know. But the chemistry between us is too strong. I just hope you feel the same way too. This is nice and I'm enjoying this meal. I think you're actually good in the kitchen and also good in the other room. You know what I mean? This actually tastes nice.
Thank you.
Well,
Hello, baby boy. How are you?
what are you doing here?
Tell me you're not happy to see me here.
Listen, Mercy, you are a call girl and should only be here when you are called. Do you understand?
Ifon. Basi, how are you? Basi, wait. Please come. How are you doing like this now? This one where they smell, you don't win lotto. Basi, let me go inside. Go inside and do what? Madam, waiting be your problem. Waiting be your problem, tell me. Waiting they do you now. Maoka no day you won't go inside. The other day you come, Maoka tell you say make you no come inside. See, if I allowed you come inside, I will not only lose my job, but he will send me to police station. And you are still here.
Don't worry. That day he was just angry. He didn't mean it. So let me just go inside and wait for him.
That day he was just angry, didn't mean it. And you don't forget the minute say you slap me because I follow Maoka instruction.
Oh, Basi, that day I'm so sorry. You know what? Hold on. Basi, you're my friend now. Here, have this. Just buy pain reliever, okay?
Bribery and corruption.
No, just to buy, you know.
I understand. See, Maraban the fundi yongo kemian. But let me tell you my profile. Anyang miero Basi Emmanuel Mbong. Akman Mbong one of his yongo. Do you understand? We don't collect bribe. I am a man of integrity. Please, with deep respect to your personality, please, can you just go back?
I'm not bribing you. Just have this. You're my friend.
Okay. Upcoming humanitarian woman. No problem. You want to go inside, Abi?
Yes.
With the car?
Yes.
Okay. Let me open the big gate for you.
But just hold this first.
Don't worry. I don't accept bribe. I'll open the gate for you.
Basi.
Yeah. Okay, hold on, Let me open the big gate.
Okay. My person.
I am a carry your own of here. When you are done, you can go.
Basi!
What is this now? What are you doing here?
Baby, I've been waiting for you.
You're in front of my gate. I can't even go in. Why are you stalking me? I thought we agreed you will never come close to me again. What is it?
Michael, I'm sorry. Okay, I accept. I overreacted. I shouldn't have reacted that way. But I am sorry. See, we used to be so good together before she just came from nowhere and came in between us.
Listen, I can't keep doing this. Okay? I can't keep doing this. We had an agreement that you're not going to come close to me again. What are you doing here?
Mike, I can't do that. See, my life is incomplete without you.
Shut up.
Do that.
Listen, I can't do this. Do you understand? I can't keep doing this. Do you want me to hurt you or something? Is that what you're trying to make me do? Listen to me. Meeting you was a mistake. And I don't intend to repeat the same mistake again. Do you understand?
I'll say that I'm sorry. I am very sorry. See, I can't leave you. I can't. My life is incomplete without you.
Shut up. Leave this place right now.
What is this, Seth? What do you see in that girl that I don't have? She's
really?
not even as smart as I am.
I'm going to tell you. Basi! Oh. Basi!
What do you even see in her right now? Eh? She's not even as smart as I am. And you're treating me this way.
She's not as smart as you are. Is that what you're saying? Guess what? She's better than you.
Listen, you have nothing to offer me. Apart from what you have in between your legs, there's nothing else you can offer me. She's a lot better than you. You are very extravagant. She's not. What is she doing here?
Okay. She be one go inside. I tell her, say, no, you cannot go inside. She even tried to bribe me. I said, no, I don't accept bribe because I am a man of integrity, just like my Oga, my destiny helper.
Send her out of here.
Please come and go.
Hold on. Michael, we can talk about this. See,
Send her out of here. She's in front of my gate.
Let's come and go now.
Michael.
Don't let me push you. You're
Hey!
a woman. Okay.
I'm going to slap you.
Okay, please start
Send her
going.
out of here.
Start going. Push the car.
What are you doing?
I want to push the car.
Lost affection, affection, lost affection, lost affection.
Chisom, there's no one out there. Are you sure you're not hallucinating?
Hallucinating?
Yes. You're probably imagining things.
But I sincerely thought I was going to get kidnapped.
Well, I went out and I didn't see anyone. There's no one out there.
And at the gun you just tucked behind?
Yes, it's for protection. I mean, it's a bad neighborhood. I need to protect myself.
What if the police gets you with it?
It's okay. It's a registered gun, so it's all right.